In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can fix Cash App Borrow missing. So why does your borrow feature go missing? Well, sometimes your credit score changes and Cash App detects that and removes the feature. However, it's not always the case. So here are some things that we can do to fix this missing borrow feature. So what we want to do is just first click on the magnifying glass here at the bottom, and it's going to take us to the Discover page. Here we will just search for borrow like so, and you will be able to see borrow extra cash when you need it. Now once we click on it, if it says it's unavailable, like I said, it could be because it's not available in our state or because our credit score has changed. So here, what if neither of those cases are true? So the last thing that we can do here, or the only thing we can do, is click on our account in the top right corner, go down until you see support. So click on support, and we're gonna go down again, and we're just gonna choose chat here. So after we have selected chat, we will say that our credit score has not changed, or that we are just experiencing issues with borrow missing, and then if it's not on your end, then Cash App can assist you in getting this feature back. So I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.